Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to use your iPhone as TV remote because somehow the TV remote hasn't evolved, but your iPhone absolutely has. Physical remotes are inconvenient in ways that we've kind of just all accepted. Dead batteries, too many remotes for too many devices, or sitting down to watch something and only realizing that the remote is way too far away. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of seems like unnecessary cardio. That's why using your iPhone makes way more sense. TVRem is a universal remote app that lets you turn your iPhone into a full TV controller. It's designed to help you use iPhone as TV remote in a really seamless way. TVRem works with a wide range of TVs and streaming devices, including Samsung, Sony, LG, TCL, Fire TV, Roku, Android TV, and more. Getting started is simple. Open the app, tap continue to move through the intro, and you'll land on a clean, modern remote interface. Tap the yellow connect button at the top, allow access to your local network, and your TV will appear automatically. Select it, approve the connection on your TV if needed, and that's it, you're connected. Once set up, your phone becomes a full iPhone TV remote. You can adjust volume, navigate menus, pause and play, and instantly launch apps like Netflix or YouTube. The real upgrade is typing though. Instead of scrolling through letters one by one, you'll get a full-on keyboard right on your iPhone, plus voice input if you want to skip typing altogether. It also has voice control. This means if your TV has Alexa or Google Assistant, you can literally tell it to open an app, check the weather, and more. It's faster, smoother, and way less frustrating. If you're looking for a free TV remote app for iPhone that actually feels modern, TVRem delivers. It's polished, intuitive, and easily replaces a physical remote. Now there is one more option worth mentioning for sure. If you're using an Apple TV or TV that supports AirPlay, iPhones actually have a built-in remote. You can access it by swiping down to access Control Center. Pressing and holding any blank space, click Add a control at the bottom, search for a remote, then swipe it to where you want it to go on your screen. Lastly, just select your Apple TV. From there, you can navigate menus, control playback, and type using your iPhone keyboard. The downside is compatibility, because this built-in option only works with Apple TV and a limited number of AirPlay-enabled TVs. That's where a free TV remote control app like TVRem has the clear advantage or win. So to wrap up the video, you can use your iPhone to control your TV right from your couch. This easily replaces your remote and makes the couch experience 10 times better. There are two ways of doing it, a free app called TVRem and through AirPlay. Personally speaking, TVRem is the better option because it's more full-featured and you don't need an AirPlay-enabled TV just to use it. Now anyways, drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.